Hello children, today's lesson is sounds of animals. Dear children, like us, animals don't have language, but they have sound which is used like a language. Through these sound, they call their colleagues, means they call their fellows. अपने साथियों को जो है वो इन संकेतों के माध्यम से, इन ध्वनि संकेतों के माध्यम से बुलाते हैं. So here we have animal names and their sounds. Let's read. First one is a parrot. A parrot what? Talks. Parrot. A parrot talks. Number 2, a goat bleats. A fly buzzes. A pigeon coos. Fifth one is a cat meows. Cat meows. An elephant trumpets. A donkey brays. A bee hums. A bird chirps. A lion roars. A mouse squeaks. A snake hisses. An owl hoots. A goose cackles. Last one, a bull bellows. Dear children, I am repeating once more. You also repeat. A parrot talks. A goat bleats. A fly buzzes. A pigeon coos. A cat meows. An elephant trumpets. A donkey brays. A bee hums. A bird chirps. A lion roars. A mouse squeaks. A snake hisses. An owl hoots. A goose cackles. A bull bellows. So dear children, you need to write and learn at your home. Thank you so much.